it's Laura with your latest tech update. You can trust an email from Microsoft, right? Think again. It could be a cybercriminal attempting a phishing attack. A phishing attack is when a cybercriminal pretends to be a trusted company and misleads you into clicking a link or visiting a bad website. Then they steal your data or install malware on your device. And a recent report has found that 29% of all phishing attacks in the second quarter of this year had imitated Microsoft, making it the most copied brand. Cybercriminals are smart, and their tactics are getting harder to spot. That's why you need to take action to protect your business from attacks like this in the future. The best place to start is with cybersecurity training for your team. This is something we can help you with. That's your tech update. More next week.